Hey, I'm Coach Kozak from HASfit, and I'm going to quickly show you how to do a push-up with proper form. I have 3 different variations for you. I'm going to start with the easiest version, which is from your knees. From your knees. Now, a lot of times you see people when they want to do them from their knees just do these little baby push-ups. I'd rather you only do a couple all the way down to a 90-degree angle at your elbow and back up than the 100 of these. So try your best to use good form. Let your body come forward. Don't keep your butt up in the air as you do them. Let your body come forward and abs tight. 90-degree angle. Push up from your knees. Second is a normal push-up. Now, body's in a plank, high plank position. Feet are together, back is straight, butt's not up in the air, and it's not sinking. Coming down again to a 90-degree angle in your elbows, and back up. 90-degree, back up. And the third version, a little harder, is going to be an elevated push-up. And I have a small box here, but when you get good at push-ups, feel free to keep elevating it higher and higher. So, with my feet elevated, most of the time I like to be on the balls of my feet. If you prefer, you can also be on your forefeet. But I like to be on the balls of my feet. Again, body straight, keeping your abs tight. This one's even harder on your abs to keep them tight. And it also puts more resistance on your chest. Elbows 90, back up. Okay, so that's how you do a push-up. It's an excellent chest exercise. Again, I'm Coach Kozak from HASfit. You want more chest exercises or any type of exercise or workout in general, make sure you shoot over to HASfit.com and have a great workout.